Hey up, we alright? James, we're at the Five Shack. Today we're making another cocktail, obviously because that's what we do. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe. Come on, get involved. And if you already are subscribed, share it. Tell everybody, family and friends, you know what I mean? Check it out. Yes, today we are going to be making a cocktail called, what's it called? The Tipsy Mermaid. I've seen it, you've probably seen it. But I thought I'd give it a go. A fun drink, you know what I mean? Because it's the Five Shack, good times and all that. It's, yeah, like I say, it's an easy drink. I need to find me a cocktail jigger. There we are. Yes, it's an easy drink, simple ingredients, fun. Never tried it, that's the other thing. Never tried it. So here we go. We're going to give it, well, yeah, you know what I mean? Hey. Yeah. We're going to give it just a shot of white rum. Or you can use whatever you want. You could use Captain Morgan's. That's what I've seen in the video what they used. Shot of that. A shot of coconut rum. Supermarket own brand. But if you've got Malibu, if you've got the cash, buy Malibu. A shot of this as well. Now, if you've not got white rum and you've only got Malibu, you could just put a couple of shots of this in, couldn't you? You know what I mean? Check it out. Yes. And it said lime. We've got a fresh lime, believe. We're going to chuck half of this in. Hey, skills. Yeah, half a lime, yeah. We're going to measure it out and all that, but let's just chuck half in. Because it's a fresh lime, you know what I mean? It's going to be full of flavour. Yeah. And then it had just pineapple juice. But it didn't say how much, you know what I mean? And I'm going to put, what am I going to put in? 3 ounces, which is 90 ml. Just to make it fun, you know what I mean? So you can't taste alcohol as much. So I'm going to go 2 45s. That's not the time. That's that. Chuck it there. And it doesn't really need much of a shake, you know what I mean? So that'll do. You know what I mean? That'll do. Get us glass. And then, this is where it gets a bit technical. Let's just move that there. What we're going to do? Chuck a bit of ice in here, because chuck a bit of ice in. And then it said blue curacao. Even corner shop stocks this now where I live. And the person just poured it in. So I am. That'll do. Check that out. And then what we're going to do is, we're just going to chuck this in with the ice, you know what I mean? That'll sweet. That'll do. Yeah, check that out. Let's put a bit of, do you know what you could do? Because I'm not going to use that other half, because I might have another drink after this. That lime, that old lime, you could just stick that in there, you know what I mean? Check it out. It's like being abroad. Yes, that's the Tipsy Barmaid. Is it? No, Tipsy Mermaid. Tipsy Barman more like. Check that out. So let's have a taste. Let's have a taste. I mean, it looks beautiful, to be honest, that. But is the proof in the pudding? Oh, you smell. Obviously you can smell lime because there's a lime on top. Check that out. But that coconut, yeah. Even with just a shot in. Now that is beautiful. That is summer in a glass. It's the Five Shack. It's what we're all about, isn't it? So yes, if you made it this far, subscribe, you know what I mean? Get involved. Tell your family and friends. Check it out. We'll see you again.